Are you a content creator who's looking for ways to monetize your YouTube channel? Well, then this video is perfect for you because in this video, we will be sharing 7 different ways to make money on YouTube. Number 1, advertising revenue. Advertising revenue through AdSense is one of the most popular ways for YouTubers to make money on YouTube. Many successful YouTubers have built their careers and fortunes from the revenue generated through AdSense. For example, PewDiePie. PewDiePie has over 100 million subscribers and is known for its gaming content. His channel makes millions of dollars per year through advertising revenue from AdSense. Another example is beauty influencer Zoila, whose channel has over 11 million subscribers. Her channel earns over $50,000 per month from advertising revenue through AdSense. But it's not just the biggest channels that make significant income from AdSense. For example, YouTuber Graham Stephan, who has over 4 million subscribers and focuses on creating finance and real estate content. He earns a 6-figure income per month from his AdSense revenue alone. So whether you have a small or large channel, if you are consistent and create content that people want to watch and monetize your YouTube videos, you can easily earn a decent income through AdSense advertising revenue. Number 2, sponsorships. Sponsorships are a lucrative way for YouTubers to monetize their content while providing value to their audience. Many successful YouTubers have landed lucrative sponsorship deals with big name brands. For example, beauty influencer James has partnered with brands such as Morphe and Coca-Cola. Charlie earns hundreds of thousands of dollars per sponsored post, making him one of the highest paid influencers on YouTube. Another example is the YouTuber and entrepreneur Casey Neistat. He has partnered with brands like Nike, Samsung and Mercedes-Benz, and he easily earns millions of dollars through sponsorship. But it is not just the big name YouTubers who can land sponsorship deals. Micro influencers and niche YouTubers can also earn money through sponsorships. For example, eco lifestyle influencer Shell Bisley has partnered with eco-friendly brands such as Thrive Market and Public Goods to promote sustainable living products. But the most important thing to remember is only promote products or services that align with your values and brand. Your audience trusts your opinion and recommendations, and promoting product or services that don't align with your values can lead to a loss of trust and credibility. That's why if you are really serious about making money on YouTube, then I highly recommend you to read this ebook called The YouTube Content Formula: The Science of Viral Videos. In this ebook, I have shared the secrets behind creating compelling and shareable content on YouTube. With billions of users and hours of videos being uploaded every minute, it can be challenging to stand out in the vast sea of content. By understanding the science behind viral videos and implementing proven strategies as mentioned in the ebook, you can increase your chances of creating content that resonate with your audience and goes viral. In this ebook, you will get to know what makes a video go viral, storytelling techniques for captivating videos, how to maximize audience engagement, keyword research and optimization, the importance of watch time and audience retention, how to promote your videos on social media, monetization strategies like YouTube partner program and ad revenue, brand partnerships and sponsorships and product sales, how to stay ahead of competition, and many more. This ebook has everything that you need for creating a successful YouTube channel. So go and read this life-changing ebook called The YouTube Content Formula: The Science of Viral Videos. The link is in the description. Number 3, merchandise sales. Selling merchandise is a popular way for YouTubers to monetize their channel while giving their loyal audience something tangible to support their brand. Many successful YouTubers have built their own merchandise brand and generated significant revenue from their sales. For example, YouTuber Shane has built a multi-million-dollar merchandise empire by selling a range of products including t-shirts, hoodies, and phone cases. Another example is makeup artist and beauty influencer Jeffree Star, whose merchandise line includes a wide range of products such as clothing, accessories, and makeup. But it is not just the biggest YouTubers who can generate significant income from merchandise sales. Niche YouTubers and micro influencers can also build their own merchandise brand and connect with their loyal audience. For example, YouTuber Ima has created a line of coffee products including coffee beans and mugs, which have proven to be a big hit with her audience. Merchandise sales are a great way to connect with your audience and give them something tangible to show their support. By building a merchandise brand, YouTubers can not only generate income but also strengthen their relationship with their audience and build their brand identity. Number 4, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be an excellent source of income for YouTubers as it allows them to promote products they believe in and earn a commission on sales. Several YouTubers have also found success through affiliate marketing. One such example is Gaurav Chaudhary, better known as Technical Guruji. He has partnered with various brands such as OnePlus and NordVPN to promote their products on his channel, and he has earned significant revenue through affiliate commissions. Another YouTuber who has leveraged affiliate marketing is Tanmay Bhatt, the co-founder of comedy group AIB. Tanmay Bhatt has partnered with Amazon and other e-commerce websites to promote products on his channel and has earned sustainable commissions from resulting sales. Similarly, makeup artist and YouTuber Shreya Jain has utilized affiliate marketing to promote beauty products on her channel and has earned revenue through commissions on sale. These examples showcase the potential for affiliate marketing to be a lucrative source of income for YouTubers who can promote products and services that align with their audience, interests, and needs. Number 5. Fan funding. Fan funding, also known as crowdfunding or donations, is a way for YouTubers to generate income from their most dedicated fans. By accepting donations, YouTubers can fund their projects, upgrade their equipments, and create higher quality content. One successful YouTuber who has received significant fan funding is gaming content creator Mark Kepler. Mark Kepler has a Patreon account where fans can donate money to support his channel and gain access to exclusive content. He has also received fan funding through other platforms such as Streamlabs, where fans can donate money during his live streams. Another example of YouTuber who has received fan funding is musician and vlogger Peter Holland. He has a Patreon account where fans can donate money to support his music videos and gain access to behind the scenes content. He has received over $25,000 per videos through fan funding, allowing him to create high quality productions with a team of musicians and video editors. Fan funding is a great way to build a community around your channel and reward your most loyal viewers. By accepting donations, YouTubers can connect with their audience on a deeper level and show appreciation for their support. It allows YouTubers to create the content they love without relying solely on advertising revenue or sponsorships. Number 6. Crowdfunding. Crowdfunding has become a popular way for YouTubers to raise money for a specific project or goal. By creating a crowdfunding campaign, YouTubers can engage their audience and receive financial support to bring their creative ideas to life. One successful example of crowdfunding in the YouTube community is travel vlogging duo Kara and Ned. They created a crowdfunding campaign on Kickstarter to fund their goal of visiting 100 countries in just 2 years. Their campaign was a huge success and they were able to raise over $26,000 from their fans to help fund their travel expenses. Crowdfunding is a great way to get your fans involved in your projects and help bring them to life. By creating a crowdfunding campaign, YouTubers can not only fund their projects but also engage their audience and build a community around their content. Number 7. Consulting and speaking. Consulting and speaking are another ways for successful YouTubers to monetize their expertise and earn additional income. By leveraging their YouTube success, YouTubers can share their knowledge and experience with others and build a business around their expertise. One example of YouTuber who has successfully monetized their expertise through consulting and speaking is Brian Dean of Backlinko. Brian has built a successful business around SEO consulting and speaking engagements. Leveraging his expertise in search engine optimization, he regularly speaks at events and has worked with clients such as Airbnb, Disney, and IBM. Another example is Amy, who has built a successful speaking and consulting career around productivity and time management. She has written books, spoken at events, and worked with clients such as Google. Consulting and speaking engagements are a great way to leverage your YouTube success and share your expertise with others. By building a business around their expertise, YouTubers can not only generate income but also expand their brands and reach new audiences. There are numerous ways for YouTubers to earn money and monetize their channel. From advertising revenue and sponsorship to merchandise sales and fan funding, there are plenty of options available for creators to generate income. Additionally, consulting and speaking engagements are great ways for successful YouTubers to leverage their expertise and build a business around their brand. However, it is important to remember that success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight and it takes hard work, consistency and dedication to build a loyal following and monetize your channel. It is crucial to stay true to yourself and your brand and create content that resonates with your audience. By doing so, you will be able to build a successful channel and make money doing what you love. And don't forget to read this life-changing ebook called The YouTube Content Formula: The Science of Viral Videos. The link is in the description.